Hi chat, welcome to another stream. How y'all doing today? It's not our normal stream day, but we are streaming. It is Thursday, September 9th of 2021. And Arc Slavic has resubbed for 5 months in a row. Thank you for your continued support. It's good to see you again. Marsha is also here. And host 00312, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. How are y'all doing today? Hopefully your day is going well. I had a bunch of meetings today. That's basically all I did today was meetings. Which, what are you gonna do? I should get a nice glass. Maybe I'll go get a nice glass. But I'm drinking the French toast oatmeal. Oh, come on. You focus just fine. Maybe if I cover up my face. There we go. Roque Brewing Company, French toast oatmeal stout. Marsha. Marsha has just resubscribed with Prime 3 months in a row and 17 total. Apparently, does Miyagi say Python? What? Anyway, thank you for the resub. Thank you for your continued support, Marsha. Good to see you as always. Oh yeah, you weren't subbed at the beginning of the stream. That was different. But yeah, let me say hi. Well, actually, let me grab a glass first. I'll be right back. All right, got me a fancy glass now, so that I can give myself a good pour and yeah, have fancy beer. Anyway, there we go. There's the pour. Cheers, chat. I guess you have to drink after saying cheers. Cheers, Zithrius. Thank you for the Prime sub, 5 months in a row, and 7 total says consume money. Nom. Right. Thank you for your continued support. It's good to see you again. Let me say hi to everyone who is here. JJMC was first today again. JJMC, you're getting real good at those firsts. Beldothis is here as well. Marsha is here, but a different color. You're red today, Marsha. Oh wait, you've changed your color again. I guess you started the stream red, and now you are a different color. And I did a Windows ding for the stream because I was changing my volume. Sorry about that. I Satisfied is here. Hello. It's good to see you. Silly Buttons with just Noodle's butt. That works. Good to see you, Silly Buttons. How you doing? And then Marsha changed their color. Changed her color. Hi plushies, a noodle plushie, and carpet plushie, and anthon plushie. Yes, I'm plushie daddy. Go Overflow says, hey Anthony, I'm the guy who runs decent big open source project on GitHub, Discord bots. Yep, I remember you. Just wanted to say we finally implemented pre-commit. It runs beautifully for us. Thanks for your contributions and open support for the developer community. Well, I'm glad you appreciate it. That's cool to hear. Code Blue, it has been a while. Welcome back. Yes, a new background. A lot of things have changed. I moved across the country, and I got a new microphone, a new camera, a art thing, bookshelf, a new desk. A whole bunch of stuff has changed. Dire Raven GG, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. If you want to learn more about my setup, I recorded a video here. But yeah, I was in San Mateo, California, and now I am in Ann Arbor, Michigan. So Eastern time represent. Oh, we triggered a hype train. I didn't even notice. The scam train is choo-chooing away, as it does. James Boyan, hello. It's 12 p.m. I think you mean 12 a.m. because it's midnight, right? It's not noon, right? Or do I have it backwards? Do I have it backwards? Rollers! Thank you for the resub. 13 in a row and 14 total. Thank you for your continued support. It's good to see you again. I think he says wax on, wax off. Oh, I see. Got it. I understand now. Celestial Blue, hello. Welcome back. And Zithrius again. And Kumblu, yeah, I already answered that one. Fancy Bear, I believe it's called a Pept. I don't know what that is. I don't know. Oh snap, a hype train indeed, Zithrius. Ethan is here, good to see you. See you've turned off your VPN. LJMF, hello, good to see you. Marsha's changed their color again. Just color changing all over the place. Hakatas, good to see you. Welcome back. It's been a while. Feels bad, man. As usual. Sorry, buddy. That is kind of funny that you can just get plushy butt. I didn't think about that. Oh well, you guys get plushy butt. There you go. Oh no, now Ethan has changed their color. Why? Why must you all keep changing colors? Ah. Move to Ann Arbor. Bookshelf, more like plushy shelf. It's true. It is exclusively a plushy shelf. Oh, we don't even get to see. There we go. Now we can see Mr. Dumpster Fire. 2 Curbs says Ann Arbor. Nice. Hello from Grand Rapids. Oh, cool. I'm actually going to Grand Rapids soon. When is that? I'm going to a concert. Let's see. Dashboard Confessional. Maybe I am not, because that is like literally tomorrow. Oh wait, that's Florida. I can read. I think it's in October. What? Canceled. Oh, I guess they're canceled. Never mind. Well, I was going to a Dashboard Confessional concert in October, but apparently it is no longer a thing. It was going to be on the 10th. Well then, I guess they've canceled all their shows. Never mind, I'm not going to Grand Rapids. Eastern time zone seems so big. Yeah, it is pretty big. Hakadas says, order the Kinesis keyboard from Amazon. Place your bets on how long it'll take to ship to Russia. That actually shouldn't take that long. I think they have international shipping. Eden says, it actually was my 4th message. I had the VPN. Oh no. Oh no. Goverflow says, I think I spent like 45 minutes to get it work on the unstable branch 3 repo, but once it gets set up, I also got the CI workflow working, and it's amazingly fast. Yeah, I've spent a lot of work to make the CI super speedy, so I'm glad you've noticed. Catherine, hello. Good to see you. Yes, indeed, a hype train. Fancy Bear is a Russian cyber hacksy thingy. APT is advanced persistent threat. Okay, I didn't know any of those things. Sam Borba says, hey Anthony, I created a Twitch account because of your recommendation on Twitter. Awesome. Well, welcome to the stream, Sam Borba. How are you doing? I'm glad you enjoy my videos. I keep making more. Catherine says, white is a good color for you. See, white shirts work for me if I'm tanned. if I'm not tanned, they mostly just they make me look more white. So right now they look great because I'm, summer tanned and whatever. Oh wait, did I? We talked about this last stream. Isn't there like a no white after Labor Day rule? And whoops. Wearing white represented that you could afford to get out of the city and vacation elsewhere when summer ended. I mean, that's true. But is that a faux pas? Like, am I, oh well, I don't give a shit. I'm gonna wear what I want. Dashboard Confessional is still around? Yeah, they came out with an album fairly recently. Evil Gordita says, I have the same dumpster fire. Nice. I had to wait. I bought mine like 3 years ago. And it took 2.5 years to arrive. I like pre-ordered as soon as they announced the project for it. And it took forever to show up. But I guess that's the way that goes. The second person I've seen with the exact dumpster fire, I think the other guy wrote 2020 on it with a Sharpie. Where did you get it? Oh, how do I even remember where I got that from? It was a recommendation from a friend. Knows that I like dumpster fires, and he likes dumpster fires way more than I do. I like how if I search dumpster fire in my email, I get a whole bunch of unrelated results. It wasn't there. This email account. That's the problem with having like 6 email accounts. You never really know where things come from. There we go. That's what it's called. Tenacious Toys. Which, oh boy. How do we get the ad first? Why is the ad the exact same results? Jack W. Burge, thank you for the bits. Welcome back. It's good to see you. But I think this is where I got it from. Maybe? I should not just randomly scroll through these. I don't really know what's in here. There could be, you know, TOS shit. Desperate Confessional sounds like AA for people who use Jira too often. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Well, at least for that concert I hadn't bought tickets yet, so I don't have to do the whole refund stuff. I was gonna buy them this weekend, so now I won't. That's the way things go. There's a white rule, but I think it'd be suspended for Twitch. Yeah. Wearing white means you did not get a stimulus check. Well, I did not get a stimulus check, so I guess that's true. Amazon has international shipping, but it is Russia. It would take 2 weeks to deliver to Russian border, and it would probably get lost somewhere. Oh no. A friend that I know likes Summerfire. It's true. They stop by the stream rarely. I don't even remember how I can find their handle. Where's search? Oh, this is his name. This guy. He really likes dumpster fires. He will tweet about them rather frequently too. He is a serial shit poster and a self-identifying shit poster. So, yeah, that's Jacob for you. That opens so many questions. Oh no. Hey, what's up, ZSNW? Hello. Yes, hopefully we will get to work on the text editor today. We're depends how long it takes to get through the other stuff, but in theory we should have plenty of time to start working on the next big feature of the text editor. Preox, hello. Welcome back. Good to see you. Oh man, haha cat. I still want it. The scariest type of shitposter, the self-aware shitposter. Yeah, right. Okay, so a bunch of Pythons came out since last time I cared about maintaining deadsnakes. That's not true. Since the last time I put some effort into it. But I think I need to build all of these. 397, 3812, 3712, 3615, and 310 RC2. Hey, JB Pratt, thank you for the resub. Indeed, the number do go up. 17 months in a row and 17 total. Thank you for continued support. It is good to see you again. I hope that you are doing well on this Thursday, thirsty Thursday. So I think most of these are trivial builds, I'm hoping. 310 RC2 might be more complicated, but I'm gonna kick those off. And I already cloned everything so that that we don't have to reclone stuff. Unfortunately, we have to do a whole shit ton of builds. Let me get these started. Import upstream 3.10.0 RC2. And we will build them until one of them succeeds. And then we will YOLO the rest of them. What do you do with these builds? So these builds are Python packages that a decent chunk of the Python community uses to run new and old versions of Python on Ubuntu. So I provide backports and forward ports for all of those for modern, for LTS releases of Ubuntu. Ethan says, I'm actually surprised at how straightforward it is to run an apt repo. True. Did you get your GitHub thing working? It's essentially just rsync. But yeah, I'm using Launchpad, which adds a little bit more on top, but gives you some other nice stuff in addition to it. So it's trade-offs there. We love you for your deadsnakes efforts. Well, I'm glad you appreciate it, Preox. Marsha, I feel like you're a different color every message. Which actually would be an interesting thing to do. I wonder if you could make a Twitch extension for that. The other thing that I want to do today is someone has asked me to build Python 3 for an extremely old version of Ubuntu, and they're gonna pay me to do it. So we're gonna try and get that working as well. Luigi Pod, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. And the version of Ubuntu is actually the very first version of Ubuntu I ever used, which is Ubuntu 8.04. It's just been end of lifed for fuck, like forever. A really long ass time. But for better or worse, this person reached out to me and was like, "Hey, can you help please?" And I was like, "Well, I've built for 10.04. 8.04 can't be that much harder." So we're gonna try and get something building for that. Have you ever built Python on Windows? Once. Why do they still use it? I have no idea. But I guess we'll start by doing Podman. Oh. We'll do both these things at the same time. Local, please clean. Yes. Okay, we'll clear out that build. That will take a while. TI, Ubuntu, Hardy, I think it was called? Hardy Heron? Hello? Oh no. Oh no, there's no Hardy. It's too old to have a Docker image. Looks like a bunch of people have them, so maybe we'll be able to use one of these other ones. What if I search Hardy instead? This one seems... Okay, 5 years ago. Build from scratch. I don't necessarily want to do that. That looks like it's going to take forever. I don't want to do that. This one is 3 years ago. This one's 123 megs. This one is 44 megs. We're gonna try this one and see what happens. Docker didn't exist. Yeah, it's true. But Docker didn't exist for 10.04 either, and there were Docker images for that as well. Are there even Docker images for it? Yeah, that's what we're finding out. Python or CPP? Wait, what was your name before? Did you change your name? What was your name before? Cause you're a 4-month sub. You've gotta have been here before. Codewater, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Now I recognize your name, Python or CPP. Oh, you're Ezekiel. Hello. Good to see you. Welcome back. Django for free code camp is outdated. That doesn't surprise. That doesn't surprise. Akatos says, I've been playing with Compile Explorer for 2 hours and learned a lot about Python bytecode optimizations from 3.5 to 3.7. Yeah, there is a surprising amount of optimizations. 3.8 added more optimizations, which broke a bunch of stuff. But yeah, I have a video that goes over some of them. There we go, that one. Sparkster Salmon says, Lurker breaking his silence, finally managed to find a Linux distro so I can use my NVIDIA card. Thanks for the content. Well, welcome, welcome, Lurker. Good to hear your voice. And LGMF, yeah, you can change your name. And usually I will notice it and be confused. But yeah, Twitch lets you change your name. I could even change my name. I don't think it's a good idea though. Might ruin the brand. Although I wonder if there's an AWC that I could just steal. Oh, I could become AWC if I really wanted to rebrand. I don't think I'm gonna do that though. Hey, Hakatos, thank you for the sub. 3 months, which gets you a fancy new badge. It's good to see you again, and thank you for your continued support. Okay. Is this? Oh, it smells like a Ubuntu image. It's apt update. Apt. Oh right, that was before apt was a thing. Oh, apt-get update is working. Can we install curl? This might not be too hard. This might be pretty easy. Oh, I draped on myself. Whoops. All right, let's Oh no, I did not want to do that. Python 3.6 Hardy. So we're gonna try and do Python 3.6. I happen to know that Python 3.7 made what am I trying to say? It made libSSL require a new UNF version. I think the version of libSSL, if I recall correctly, already is 098 libSSL, which I think I can get building with 3.6. I hope. Otherwise, it's gonna be a lot harder. Like if I have to get, I don't want to backport libSSL. that's what we're fighting with today. Okay, so let's do this. Run. We're gonna need curl, probably need build essential, probably need CA certificates. I don't even know if that package existed back then though. There wasn't a Python 3, so we'll need Python. Oh, I may need to bootstrap. I may need to bootstrap Python 3 because I think you need Python 3 to build Python 3. Electos says, I hope now Amazon will ship my keyboard. I gave them more money. But Arthur says, AWC, I prefer Anthon 63. Yeah, that's true. That's true. That's some fucking old school shit. That's only OG people remember that. We're just gonna sloppy build this. I do this every time. I do Docker built instead of Docker build. I don't know why. It always kind of works out that way. This is chugging along on its stuff. I wonder if I can just apt install build deps. Okay, so that worked so far. G++ 4.2. That might be our next problem. I wonder if I can build it on 10.04 and then I know I got it working on 10.04. All right, let's I guess let's just download it and try and start building it. Python 3.6 downloads. I don't want 3.60. I want 3.6 new. Please. 2016. That's only 8 years after. There's a chance. There's a fucking chance. Satisfied. I definitely said that wrong. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Joe Haga, good to see you again. Ethan says, I'm honestly impressed Ubuntu still runs the apt repo for 8.04. Yeah, it's on this like old releases thing. Old releases. Which is basically like Debian's archive. You can still run really old versions of Debian too. 3.6.15. It should just be a source download. Curl this dash o 10 python.tgz curl location output. What's the other flag I usually use? Silent. Pictonus, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you are doing well. Okay, this is proceeded to the next step. That's good. tar-xf. How do we want to do this? And Winterborn, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Winterborn. I don't even know if tar is gonna work properly. We're also probably missing tar, so. I don't need that. Alright, let's try that. Juicebox Hero, hello, hello. Good to see you again. Hopefully you're doing well. Winterborn says, holy smokes, hello fellow split key user. Well, welcome, welcome. Yes, I'm on the Kinesis, what is it called? Freestyle Pro. Uh-oh. Cannot find package run. Oh yeah, you're not gonna be able to see all this editor stuff. True. Please no crash. Okay. That can sometimes cause us to crash. Oh, it's weird to have chat on the right. I don't know how I feel about that. Winterborn is a metal last name. It's true, it's true. Hey, what's up, the Gel Mega? Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Trailing backslash. Yeah, that was totally a problem. But easy to fix. Time for the Anthony window manager. Yeah, it works. It's fine. Sky Ranger, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Well, Gel Mega says, finally done with my base container. Finally starting my UTF-8 string. Ooh. PyPy has switched to UTF-8 strings. I'm hoping CPython does. Because PyPy said that it made like a huge performance boost. And if CPython could just do it. Well, I guess the problem with CPython is there's C APIs that expose the original strings. You'd have to go through a whole ABI deprecation period thing. Which might suck. But I don't know. Might not be too bad. Celestial Blue says, I'm like 50% convinced it's illegal to do 2 CDs in a row. You always need to do an LS to check what's there before you CD again. Yeah, it's true, it's true. Burgerdoc/Deft Pro user here. Nice, cool. I am pretty shit at fancier keybs, but that's the way things go. I think the internal representation of the string isn't part of the ABI. That's a good question. Hello? Error? What error? Oh no. Oh no. Is this gonna be a fucking TLS problem? Oh no. Oh no. I don't know if this... Oh, this is gonna suck. I think the problem is that, well, one of two things. Either the CA certificates are too old, or TLS 1.2 is not supported. I don't think that version of curl is TLS 1.2. Oh god, I hope this works. Otherwise, we could probably do it on 10.04 and just hope the symbols work out. Oh, that's gonna suck. Work. We'll find out. And this is still building. At least it's got past the build part, so now it's on... Oh, it's still doing PGO. Is it worth trying 3.5? 3.5 would be easier, yeah, but if I can't curl it in the first place... Yeah. Exit status 35. Let's see. Curl exit status 35. Not 354, 35. What is 35? SSL connection error. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Huh. Hmm. John Mega says, got a new PC at work, went from an i7 2600K, 12 gigs of RAM, and a 970 to an i9 10900K, 32 gigs of RAM, and a 3070. Yeah, that is a huge upgrade. Nice, nice. Okay, well, can't SSL, what are we going to do? Wait, this said it was 48 megs. Why is this 122? Yeah, I can have a builder image grab it. Yeah, I could have a earlier layer grab it. The thing is, even if I can download it and build it, the thing is I still need pip to work afterwards. I don't think it's going to be able to use TLS 1.1 libSSL 0.9.8 TLS versions. When was TLS 1.2 added? Oh no. Oh no. The 0.9.8 doesn't even support 1.2, and I think 1.2 is the one that just got removed, right? TLS 1.3 support. OpenSSL. When was 1.3 added? Oh, TLS 1.2 will be mandatory. Well, that's less hard. We can backport OpenSSL. Oh no. Look at the date though, 2017. Yeah. .1.1.1 was the first that had TLS 1.3. So I think, and that was in like 2019 or something like that. Oh, October. It says right here. Yeah, so I think what we're gonna have to do is build OpenSSL, then build Python on top of that. Okay, so what was the first one that supported 1.2? 101. Okay. So we're gonna have to download OpenSSL 1.0.1. Download. Source/old. Oh no. 1.0.1. Okay, so we're gonna do a multi-stage build. I don't even need to clean up because guess we're throwing away this layer anyway. Hey, what's up, Bagel PT? Hello, hello. You probably want the highest letter of 101. That's true. The 101U. Curl silent location out Put temp openssl.tarn.tgz this and just fucking show me it. Echo 36 check. R-c source-xf temp openssl.tgz. This also. This should be fine. That'll get us our source directories. Then copy from. Is that how this syntax works? Copy from fielder or source. I have no fucking idea. We'll see how this goes. Hey, what's up, Jenny Pie? Hello, hello. The also thinking of security is probably not too worth. Yeah. Gustavo Dahoradev, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. This is still building. Hey. Let's see how my multi-stage works. This Docker file builds OpenSSL on Xenial targeting muscle. So I have done this before. Oh, I don't know why you would do seems more work. Also builds zlib. I'm hoping I can just. Well, we're gonna pick and choose stuff until we get something working. Oh, muscle for static linking. I don't think I need to worry about static. I might. We'll see. We will see. I'm hoping I can just point Python at a. I forgot a backslash and Admin was like, panic! Should be fine since you're just targeting Hardy. Yeah, yeah. I do need to make like a redistributable bundle though. Cannot create directory source file exists. And low? Oh. To be honest, if you haven't updated since 2021, do you really deserve support? Yeah. I mean, yeah, if you haven't updated since 2008, do you really deserve support is the actual question here. And the answer is not at all. But hey, if someone's gonna pay me money to do this, fuck it. I don't give a shit. I don't have to support their stuff. I just have to deliver a build that works. Okay, we have our image now. We can in theory start doing builds in it. But libsl first. Hey, what's up, Fajishin? Hello, hello. Welcome to the stream. Hi, hackers. Yes, I mean, you could say we're hackers. And we got a configure script. I said capital configure. What kind of masochistic shit is this? Oh god, what? The fuck? What kind of fucked up configure script is this? Oh, on Unix issues /config. Okay, it's like, holy what? Now do we have a makefile? This allows to configure a prefix. An SSLder. Well, it didn't ignore it. Doing something. Did I do J56? Oh no. Please clip that. Wait, what are we clipping? What did I do? Where the heck if the Docker docs on as? Oh yeah, multi-stage builds. Docker multi-stage builds. This stuff. Yeah. Well, you can do copy from equals 0. You can number them instead of naming them. I guess that makes sense. Oh my god, this still isn't done. Oh, I almost typoed 56. Yeah, that would have been pretty bad. Would have been pretty bad. That would have been, I would have fork bombed myself, like straight up. Holy shit, why does OpenSL take so long to build? What is it doing? Am I like building the tests or some shit? It errored. Tell me the error. That's probably just like absolutely ruining compression. The John Mega says, why does everyone have an SM7? Because it's a pretty nice microphone. Wait, now what is it doing? What if you Docker? There is a Docker. Pretty expensive too? Yeah, I mean, it works well though. Why is make and make install doing different things? Oh no. Well, I guess I'll run make and then make install, maybe. Oh, is it running the tests? Is that the problem? I don't want to run the test. Can I skip the tests? Damn it, I have a build of OpenSSL that I backported for Lyft that I wish I had right now. Because it was a fucking pain in the ass. Oh, this seems to be doing more than last time. Hey, outdated version. Thank you for the resub at 15 months. Good to see you again. Thank you for your continued support. Exact TI list batch ls on. Oh, okay. This might actually be working. Okay. And it exited 0. Okay, so I think we have OpenSSL working. So we will do run. Go down here. Run. What was the directory? Vector bleh. Config prefix equals opt open SSL. Make install. All right. It cached the first stage. That's new. Why do you do ampersand colon? To do, it's basically like trailing commas but for Dockerfile. But yeah, I don't care. I'm being sloppy for this image. I don't really care so much because I'm not distributing the image. I'm just distributing the output. In theory, hopefully. Sloppy boy, yeah. Link in the YouTube video. Yeah, it's true. It's true. It's true. It's true. It's true. It's true. We do have a video for that. Yeah, there we go. Explains Docker file rune. There we go. We have a video on GitHub Actions plus Docker. What do you mean? Like, you mean like the direct Docker support in GitHub Actions, or do you mean like more generalized, just running Docker in GitHub Actions? No. Like the Docker based GitHub Actions are kind of the old school actions. I'm not sure why you would write a new one using those. I guess Ethan's writing one, so I don't know. They do add like, they make it slightly harder to exploit, which I haven't run my exploit checker in a while. I don't want to write JS. Yeah, that's fair. It's fair. What about a video about pre-commit? Oh, pre-commit CI. Yeah, I need to do that too. Make a video about Jenkins. Yeah, I'll just upload a video of my of myself, you know, roped up. That'll be my Jenkins video. Nobody wants to run Jenkins. It's just because that's all they have access to. It's somehow the least worst thing that people run. Can't wait for Docker. Can't wait to pay for Docker. Pre-commit desktop. Yeah, that would be pretty funny. Okay, we have OpenSSL built. This might not be too bad. What else do we need to build is the other question, though. Test bash. Python. Let's see. What happens if we run configure? There's a way to tell it where OpenSSL is, right? What? Am I gonna have to stitch this in afterwards? I can do LPath shit. RPath shit. I didn't check the Python build, whatever. Python configure options. Because it's free? Yeah. We're out of alcoholic dessert, it's true. I do need to fill up my beer. Freakman sounds like a credit card service? Von Dutchy says, I always read Ace Atilius Aristotle. You would not be the first, Von Dutchy. Agata says, my company wants self-hosted and not expensive CI. Pre-commit CI can be self-hosted. Just saying. It's not a generalized CI system, though. So, yeah. Anybody says, I read it as A Scotty. Yeah, somehow people put a C in there all the time. I don't know what that's about. But I Satisfied says, after many technical issues, I is back. Well, welcome back. Good to see you. Only shit thing is there orb VMs. Oh, on Circle CI? Yeah. Oh, guy says, I like drone CI, but that was back when I knew nothing about CI. We use GitLab CI and it's A-okay. Edit module / setup.dist. How do you pronounce it? So in like the poor whitewashed version of it, we pronounce it Sotile, but it would be Sotile. More true Italian. And yes, the hand motion is required. The jumping says, sometimes I hate having to write certain Doxygen comments, like passing an iterator called begin and having to comment that it's the begin iterator. Yeah, easy fix, just don't document anything. I was literally asking about the hands, but you answered it already. It's true. Time to edit modules setup.dist. Right. I have to exist. How old is this nano version? Stotheg, thank you for the follow. Oops, excuse me, follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Well, this says I always pronounce it as Antoine Sotile. Sotile. Poor whitewash. You know Italians are white, right? Yeah, well, kind of. My ancestry is from Sicily, and they're the off-white Italians. But yeah, get Babby running on Ubuntu 8, bruh. Like, fucking Ncurses W didn't even exist. People didn't even think of Unicode by then. I don't think I can get Babby working. I don't think I can get Babby working at all. But eggshell Italians. Okay, how do SSL equals? Okay, who just set SSL equals? Do I have to uncomment this? Probably. I must comment out the other socket line above and possibly edit the SSL variable. You must comment out the other socket line above. All right, this version. I'm trying to use the keyboard shortcut that I added to Nano, and it doesn't work, of course. Oh, I'm gonna have to do this. Oh, there's no undo. How am I gonna do this? Wow, that actually worked. We'll just do a patch. Yeah. I don't know how I'm gonna use Vim inside of a Docker container, silly buttons, but we'll try and make it. We'll try and make it happen. Sounds like a quitter attitude. Yeah. Europeans are counted as white when it comes to ethnic surveys. Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah. No, I mean it's by whitewashed. I mean like Americanized. Like, yes, I understand Italians are white, and I come from a white background. All of my ancestry is white, including the Sicilian ancestors, despite being, you know, brown tinged. We are still white. But yes, I understand that. Jai says, how long did it take you to feel productive at Stripe? Like a week. Dishonored King, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Khaki Italians. Artifacts Blast Wave says, glad they added this category. Yeah, well, we used to be stuck in science and tech. There, back in my fucking day, there used to be a goddamn programming category, and then they got rid of it. But now it's back, so, you know, all good. It's all good. Yeah, I'm in regular Nano. Pure's welcome, yeah. Is Nano similar to Babby? Not in this. I'm in a Docker container. This is Nano 207. This is from fucking 2007. This shit's real old. Real fucking old. Anglicized? Yeah. Whitewashed, exactly. Same thing. Back in my day, yeah. Well, I used to stream in the programming category, and then it got killed. Thanks, Juicebox Hero, for killing the programming category. It's entirely your fault. Diff dash u modules setup.dist. Old. How to do this? Oh, curly brace is wrong. Oh, this is gonna have tabs in it. Shit. Damn it. Docker PS. Docker CP this. Temp. No, source python 3.6.15/patch. We're gonna have a lot of these probably. To SL python ssl.patch. Rescued a file out of the depths of the pythons. Okay. No, copy. Python 3.6.15. Hey, Twan thank you for the resub with Prime at 5 months. Thank you for your continued support. Good to see you again. Install Vamber, install Babby, choose one. Yeah, right. Juicebox here says that was me 100%. I just wanted to be in the same category as the ducks. They got too many Twitch staff streaming already. No, like nobody on Twitch staff streams. And then he just now white equals part of the English world. You know what I meant. As a Fleming living in Germany, I feel excluded now. Well, that's the way things go. Patch. Is this how patch works? Look, it's been a long time since I've used patch. Oh no, it's doing a full rebuild? Why? Does it not cache the second layer at all? Oh, it did. Wait, what? Why did this take so long to be like, oh yeah. Oh, this is in the wrong place. And the music has stopped, so I will restart that. Boop. Saying what is not PC, say FFF, yeah, right. Okay, well, let's try this now. Thank you, Ethan, for that tip about the modules thing. Sonia? Holy shit, this build takes forever. Wish there's, well, I can probably figure out a way to disable. Can't find file to patch? Oh, we got to modify the files like lame. We have to get rid of the old. Now it should work. Did the Twitch chat bot die? No, it should still, yeah, it's still there. We're good. We're good. Running Python tests take forever. Yeah, well, I'm not even running the full suite. I'm just running the PGO suite. I built UE5 today. Just check out the code. Took over an hour in a 16-core machine running at greater than 4 gigahertz. Oh my god. Fuck. What do you mean? Couldn't find file to patches in this literal file. So this is where having these images is useful. It's right fucking there. Is this not how this works? Or maybe this version of patch is so old. Oh my god, this version of patch is so old that it doesn't know how to just read the fucking patch. Blech. Is patch already applied? No, it's just because patch is shitty. Old patch is shitty. Hey, what's up, Flots Drew? Hello, hello. Well, not going to sleep. Well, thank you for stopping by. Good to see you. GG Patch? Yeah, Patch fucking won this time. Alright. We're gonna prune a few of these images. Oh, that was a mistake. Because that pruned the cache. Fuck. Oh well. Alright, can we run configure? Oh, there's a warning. What's the warning? But can it be compiled? Oh. Wait, is this before you random? It's a warning, right? Oh, configure succeeded. I'm so skeptical that this is going to work. Like, it should not work. There's no reason this should work, but it looks like it might. Types man patch. I like how the examples use blurful. What? Man patch. The fuck is blurful? Oh, this is a risky Google. Maybe a risky Google. Probably some like the tool for the Arduino IDE. I wonder if they made that later. I wonder if patch came first and then blurful came. Or I wonder if patch came first and blurful came later. Yeah, it's weird that they would pick something like that. Oh shit. What? Is this a GCC is too old version? Do I need a new GCC now? It's SSL data. Oh, here's our first problem. Okay, why is it using user local? Oh, because I fucked up the patch. Yeah. That's why. And before Anthony upgrade the whole Ubuntu, I can't. I don't have control of that. Unfortunately. Hell yeah, build GCC from source. Last time I did that, it took like 12 hours. I don't have time for that shit. I do not have time to build GCC from source. That is outside of my budget. While this is running, I'm going to use the restroom and grab another beer. I will be right back. Oh yeah, chat. I have new shorts. Look at my new shorts. Look at them. They're fancy. Anyway, here's my new beer. New Holland, the Poet, American Oatmeal Stout. Real water now. I have water. I have water. It's right here. Where's your tail? Well, I don't have a tail. I had a tail the other stream. That's enough tail for you. New Holland, so Australia. I think this is actually not in Michigan. Yeah, brewed in Holland, Michigan. Michigan. Not Australia. Unfortunately. Okay, we're apparently building OpenSSL again. Oh, what was that? There's some like weird warning here. Where did it go? Oh no. I've probably missed the scroll back now. Ugh. Oh well. Gone forever. Must not have been important. I'm sure someone else has fixed it. Oh, it's doing the last part. Hopefully that's good. If he keeps drinking, we might see tail for free. Is it in Holland and Australia? That'd be wild. Oh, it's pretty good. I think this is one of my dad's favorite beers. So I guess it doesn't surprise that it's good. Okay. So we have reapplied our new OpenSSL patch. I'm not going to delete the images this time. As bash. Prefix opt Python 3.6 and then make. Daddy still have good taste? Who, me? You mean my dad? Yeah, he has good beer taste. I don't know that it's the same as mine, but we like a lot of the same beers. Noz. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you are doing well. Holland was the original name of Australia, just like how New York was once called New Amsterdam. Wait, what? They like a lot of sweet ones too? He likes some good dessert beers. Which one of these is gonna cause the least frame drop? They're both building Python. I think it's gonna be this one. Actually, I don't know why it's lagging so weirdly. Do we just put Twitch chat up again? No. Oh no, now I have to put it here. Oh, please don't crash. Please don't crash. Sometimes when tab tearing, I have a patch terminal that allows tab tearing, but Upstream has not fixed the bug yet. So occasionally, if I drag a tab onto another tab, the entire window manager breaks, which is not great. All of you are like chocolate cake, waffles with ice cream, deep fried Snickers. I don't have any beers that are like that. I just like me a good peanut butter stout and a good chocolate stout and a good peanut butter and chocolate stout. Tmax for the win. Tmax wouldn't help here because it would kill the window manager. Like the whole like graphical session dies. I don't think Tmax is gonna save from that. Oh shit! I mean, there's a chance this fucking works. Oh, there's an error. But now it's long gone. There's something red up there. I don't know what it was. Well, we'll see what happens. There's a fucking chance this works, which would be sick. Zlib is not available. Okay. So that means we need to do. I wonder if Chronic is available. I wonder when did Chronic exist? She says, Anthony, I just dropped $550 in the belief that I can sell my artist cards for charity help. Yeah, I mean, you don't want to know how much money I've dropped on stream with the hope that I can produce nice content. So, it's similar in a way. Okay, Chronic did not like. Okay, that's fine. Actually, Okay, I think what I'm going to do is make this quiet because I don't care. And I don't want to spam the output. That's what we're gonna try and do? Yeah. I have no clue how, but I typed convertible as convertible. I can see that. Also, you ever wonder why New Zealand is new and where Old Zealand is? It's part of the Netherlands. Oh, interesting. iSatisfied says I'm ready to be a customer the moment it drops. Yeah, iSatisfied is Juicebox Heroes #1 simp. It's true. Oh, don't tell iSatisfied's girlfriend. Okay, let's run. Said. I am getting source builds. Let's run this. Now there's a way to get source steps. Hey, what's up, Bineyar? Hello, hello. Wait, I missed that? It's all good. You use OpenSSL from 2012, you deserve to get your security breach. Yeah, I mean, if they're running an operating system from fucking 2008, I think they have bigger problems than Jelmega. But yeah. Someone tell me what Anthbonk said? Oh, I just said that you were Juice's #1 simp. Which, am I wrong? apt-get. What is the command? Build dep apt-get build dep python. Sick. Okay, that's what I want. apt-get update, apt-get build dep python. That should hopefully install enough things to get this working. Hopefully that installs Zealot. Let us try this now. Docker build. Yes. You're just pronouncing supportive friend wrong. It's true, it's true. No, you're great, iSatisfied. I'm not trying to shit on you. 2008 was 25 years ago today. No, that's not true. But it kind of feels like that. Next up, we store passwords in plain text. Yeah. You're in Twitch chat. They got emote pop-up menus now. Wait, what? Really? I think this was always there. Oh, apparently. Wow, I have a lot of subs. Oh, look at all these subs. Oh, and then it's just Twitch emotes. Here you go. Here's some emotes for you, chat. The girl already knows and doesn't like it. Oh, did I forget to do dash Y? God damn it. Son of a bitch. Dash Y, no, install, recommend. Let's try it again. Bring it back now. No, it failed. Motherfuck. That's so stupid. They fucking capitalized the I. That's literally all. Oh, so dumb. That's so dumb. That's so dumb. We're gonna assume that's good enough though. Because I don't give a shit. Error while running. Runtime. Exit status 2. Syntax error. Bad file descriptor number. What the fuck? Oh. This is before it supported that syntax. Oh my god. Old software, man. Old fucking software. What noise? What noise did I make? Please clip it so that I can hear the noise. Well, that's clearly not the right password. 1 character long? Hello? Okay, it's more characters this time. I do make funny mouth noises. Wait, I satisfied. She was in Juicebox Hero's chat? She has a Twitch account? She better follow my channel. Otherwise, what's even happening? Okay, that's a pretty good grunt. I'll give it to you. Runbooks, refresh, Ubuntu, Bionic. Yes. Hey, what's up, Storm McCloud? Hello, hello. Welcome back. Good to see you. I think she's followed you. Nice. I'm just waiting until she tier 3 subs to me. I satisfied. Then what? Then what? But yeah, how you doing, Storm McCloud? You just got bongoed. I'm glad I set timers because I 100% forgot I was washing clothes and was so confused why my phone was beeping at me. Yeah. Not gonna lie, timers get me through a lot of my ADHD life. I would have a lot harder time getting anything done without timers. They are the fuck? What is this 1 character password thing that it keeps doing? That's bullshit. There we go. I was literally just bragging about you to her since she's taking a Python class right now. Well, I could teach her some Python. I said, but why did I say that with like a weird Southern accent? What am I even doing? I like how Anthbunk is constructing a love quadrilateral with his viewers. Listen. It's all just friendly banter. It's all just friendly banter. Prox says that's amazing. My password is the same. Whoa, shit. Who's the person who said something about medication? Because they're absolutely right. Why have I lost that message? Oh, Jenny Pie says I think medication helps more. It does. It 100% does. And I really should talk to a doctor to get back on medication because I have not been in a while. And I think I would be a lot more productive if I had medication. But I don't. So I just fucking deal at the moment. Okay, 3-9. 3-9's next. Shaz Robot, thank you for the resub with Prime. AWC Bongo. There we go. Shaz Robot, thank you for your continued support of 17 months of subdom. It's good to see you again, as always. I know you're medicating with beer. Jenny Pie. Listen. We don't need to talk about the beer. Also, beer does not help me focus. It just helps me cope. Storm McCloud says Cat Peasant gave me some bongos for a while. They're neat. Nice. Yeah, the bongo's pretty fucking cool. How did I end up on this page? Quotes about Python. What the fuck is this page? How did I end up here? I have no idea what I want. Okay, 397. We need at 9.7. Guess that means we gotta build this. How many beers in are we? 1.5. This is only 5.8% though, so I feel a little bit bad. I had dinner too. I don't know why I'm so silly. It's quotes about Python. Geez, even the title tells you. Yeah, but I don't know how I clicked on it. Is the real question. Fuck. Zlib is not available. What do you mean? Do I have to get a newer Zlib? Hey, Delsp. Thank you for the reset. How has it only been 9 months, Delsp? It feels like you've been here forever. But thank you for your continued support, and that gets you a fancy new badge. It's good to see you again. How has it only been 9 months? I feel like you've been here for years. Ah, shit. I found you during AOC. Ah, true. Okay, so zlib is not building, which either means one of two things. Either it means that I don't have zlib 1G, or the zlib in this is too old, which is possible. Let's see what the real answer is. Oh, we don't have the dev version. That's the problem? Oh, we don't have the dev headers. Okay. So to catch you up to speed, details, but what we're doing today is I am upgrading deadsnakes versions, and at the same time I'm trying to build Python 3 on Ubuntu 8.04 because someone is paying me to do it. And it seemed like an interesting challenge, and I've done it for 10.04 before, so I figured why not do 8.04? That's what we're doing. Is it insanity? Yes, 100%. But that's the way things go. Don't forget you're here forever. Yeah. What is this? What is this? Doctor said only one glass of beer per day. Fucking me IRL right there. My friend, we actually bought my friend the like massive fucking wine glass. One of these ones. Oh, it's a risky click. Look at this one. Yeah. We bought my friend a wine glass that was this big. Just for the fucking lulz. I want to scroll down on this, but I also don't. Like, because we could get images like this. This is safe for work at least. But who knows what isn't. But yeah, giant wine glasses. How good is your bongo playing? Honestly, like 3 years ago, based on all the change we've had, yeah, holy shit. You are not exaggerating there. Warning, job server unavailable. Is this such an old version of Make that it doesn't support proper multi-processing? Wild. It always takes me a moment to realize that AOC is advent of code, not Alexandria. Okay, so Cortez. Yeah, it's true. It's true. It's true. Although I have been doing advent of code for much longer than Alexandria was relevant. Well, I'm sure she was relevant, just not to me. But I hope they're paying you many thousands of monies. I mean, it's not thousands of monies, but it's gonna be worth it. It's gonna be like, well, if it works, it's gonna be like what, 3 or 4 hours of work, at decent pay. So yeah, Ubuntu 8 came out in 2008. So that gives you an idea when it was, Storm. Real long time ago. Chad says, Anthony, you would know better than I. Why is Ubuntu 2004 ARM bad? I'm thinking of getting a laptop. If, and big if, I get an M1 laptop, what's wrong with VMing Ubuntu ARM? It should be fine. ARM has been supported on Ubuntu for a long time. Ken Biko! Thank you for the resub. 16 months of subdom. Thank you for continued support. It's good to see you again. Hopefully you're doing well. Yeah, I mean, Ubuntu works fine on ARM. The tricky part is just that ARM in general is not well supported, independent of like Linux or Mac OS or Windows or whatever. It's mostly just that like there's not a lot of binary distributions that support ARM because it's so old, or it's so new, and other architectures just like still don't quite support it. You also might have a better chance running 2104, but then you wouldn't get all the nice other stuff. But yeah, ARM has been working for a while, so I think 2004 actually should run fine. I'd be curious to see what people are worried about there. But yeah. Tired beer goggles, wired wine glasses. Oh my god, I fucking love that, Ethan. That's such a good pun. I love it. Does this person challenge you, or do they actually need it? Yeah, they actually need it because they're gonna pay me. Yeah. But yeah, how you doing, Kimbiko? Good to see you. We are building old Python and building new Python, so hopefully this works well. You'd have to have a bleeding edge kernel, and the graphics stack is still under development. Yeah, but if you're running a VM, it shouldn't matter too much. Like if you're running, VirtualBox, if you can get VirtualBox running, I say VirtualBox works, or Parallels or something like that. Like VMs shouldn't be too hard because they do all the software drivers for you, I think. What about non-binary distributions? I mean, source distributions. Like, sure, you can build all your shit from source. But yeah, Docker well supported on Raspberry Pi. I don't know. I haven't tried it. Dr. Frankensatilli reanimating these very dead snakes. It's true. Well, in this case, we're putting a newer snack on a really dead, really fucking dead operating system. It would be parallels? Yeah, parallels should maybe work. Virtual box is not offered at all, and maybe not ever. Yeah. Yeah, because building that from source. Oh, fucking shit. This might actually work. Oh my god, this would be so pog if this works. Wow, did I just say pog out loud? That's fucking cringe. Did I just say cringe out loud? That's fucking cringe. Oh no, cringe forever. Where's my fucking install? Did I forget prefix? God damn. Gotta do it again. Cringeception, yeah, recursive cringe. Cringe forever. Def cringe, return cringe, yeah. You know, someone just donated to a project I work on because I felt bad having it for free. Man, I wish more people did that for me. Here lay Anthonky, streamer to the end, unironically said pog on stream. Yeah, shit. You got me. John Mega says, have you ever wondered what a 2.5 trillion transistor and 850k core? What? Hold on. I don't want to get banned. Okay, this is fine. This is fucking huge though. Natalia, you have got quite, this looks photoshopped as shit. But holy dear god, 850 cores? 850k cores. God damn. Just blame the beer, it's fine. Yeah, it's true. It's true. Yeah, I'm not cringe, it's the beer. What? It's not me. I'm what? Comparison of unsigned expression less than 0 is always. I think this is a compiler bug. Never, it's not my code. I don't give a shit. Drinking beer is cringe. Drink weed, says Jenny Pie. Oh no. Def cringe arrow recursion error. Well, that would mean it returned the recursion error. I think it would use arrow no return. We're gonna be syntactic or typing correct. Actually, I wonder what that would do. I wonder what MyPy thinks about that. Surely MyPy errors, right? Like, does MyPy know? MyPy might not know. Or MyPy might be like, what are you doing? Hey, it works. It's true. I think you could actually put any type there. And MyPy would be like, yeah, this is fine. Yeah, see? Out nerding my nerd joke. No, you're good. I just like to be oddly specific. MyPy is cringe. Be careful, Jenny Pie. We got a MyPy maintainer in the chat. We need no return recursion error. Yeah, there you go, ZSNW. We gotta get. Oh fuck no! I don't want to do that. No. He's like, beg you. Oh, fuck that library. Oh my god. I don't want to be like, I'm a fucking genius, but holy shit, I'm so surprised this worked. Holy shit, we got 3.6 building and installing on Ubuntu 8.04. Color Marku, how you doing? Yeah, we do have 6 to 9 viewers right now, which is pretty nice. It's true. I am so surprised this worked. Just here says, meeting, talk to you later. Sounds good, sounds good. Have a good one, Juice. Wait, now why do you have a meeting? It's like, oh, I guess 4:30. Okay, I understand. My senior at work says, this anything can be anything in Python is driving me crazy. C# grow me. Here, use pre-commit in MyPy, them. Oh no, what have we done? And MyPy remained in the workflow forever. MyPy's pretty nice. Some of us work after 5 p.m. Eastern. Yeah, it's true. True. It's true, you fucking got me. I mean, I work after 5 Eastern also, but I work too much. But also not enough. I don't know, it goes back and forth. Yeah, this works, I guess. Let's do my normal check. Can we import SQLite? Oh, we gotta fix that. Can we import LZMA? Oh, we gotta fix that. Can we import BZ2? Oh, we gotta fix that. Can we import zlib? Oh, we got 1 out of 4. 1 for 4 is not too bad. Alright, let's get the rest of them working. Lib BZ2 dev. Lib LZMA dev. Lib SQLite 3 dev. Let's get those working. Boop. LZMA balls, yeah. My pie is great, but our pie is better. That's the... There's the meme with the, like, communist song. I don't remember what it is, but pretend that's playing. Look, I'm relevant with the kids. The number of times it took cargo R to try and run this Python file. Yeah, that seems like it would not quite work. Del says, I still can't believe today is Thursday. I started today and I was like, shit, tomorrow is Slack Scrum. Oh no. You know, honestly, I thought today was Friday. At 11:15, I booted up my computer. I was like, oh, I get to tweet about my new YouTube video. And then I was like, fuck, it's Thursday. Fuck. For some reason, it feels like this week has just been going on forever. I don't know why. Maybe because work's been boring this week. It took him a hot second to get the hang of Python. He's going to make me pay for it as I start learning C#. Oh no. Cargo brrr. Yeah. Today is Friday. For you, Kinbiko. And Jelmega. And fucking anyone that's not in Michigan time zone. Or US time zones. But yeah, fine. 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 But yeah, it's not Friday here yet. And it wasn't Friday there when I woke up this morning, so to be fair. Oh, that one started spewing. Oh, this is Array. Wait, did Hardy not have... When did LZMA come out? 1999. Well, that's 7-zip. Oh no. Hello? Oh, we have to do this first. Yeah. Apt-get update. Then we can search. Okay. It's Friday for us, close to all of the first world, not sure if we can count the US. You know, that's fair. The US is kind of cringe. Let's just LZMA dev. Okay. Like that changed at some point. Are these gonna have the same problem? We'll find out in the next episode. My manager pointed out HTMLQ in our Thursday afternoon in tech meeting. With HTMLQ. Is this like query? Like JQ, but for HTML. Oh, yeah, it's like PyQuery. That's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. I feel like I've wanted a command line that does this. How many stars does this have? Oh, 3.6k. Yeah. Also, I feel like I know this guy. What do I know you from? Nothing. This is your only popular project. Probably only because you wrote it in Rust. Oh, wait. Nope. No, I don't know why I know this guy. But that's fucking cool. That's pretty neat. Have you seen the Matrix trailer? I feel like they should call it a vector. I have not seen the Matrix trailer, but that is a funny joke independent of independent of the content of the trailer. And it is a fidget toy as daz. It spins and it looks pretty. That's about it. Should have been September 9th equal 1999. Wait, what? I don't know. Oh, the September 19th. Yeah. We also talked about the JK17 release because we're at Java Shop. We've actually started talking about that at work as well. Because we currently support Java 11 and Java 8 at work. And we're stuck on Java 8 because of Spark. And so most of the Java services are on Java 11, but anything that depends on Spark, which is mostly our Scala shit, is stuck on Java 8. And the team that owns Spark doesn't want to upgrade this quarter. So we're going to be supporting 2 versions of Java for forever. Unfortunately. But we're stuck on 8 because of Databricks. Yeah, we're just stuck because of Spark. I say just, but Spark is a giant monolithic heap of sadness, so yeah, we need to upgrade to I think Spark 3.1, and we're on like Spark 2.8 or something. I don't know, some old ass version. Were you ready in Rust? If only were that simple. If only were that simple. Silly buttons, you feel my pain. How are you doing, silly buttons? How are you doing? Can't open config file. Cringe. Java almost as bad as JavaScript. And Python's around there too. The Gel Mega with the evergreen comments on terrible languages. It's true, it's true. You're not wrong. Spark, there's some Apache big data thingy or something. Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, we have Spark and Beam and Airflow and fucking all the other terms. Very happy to leave a job where I was dealing with Spark and the big data crap. Yeah. Well, it's my life right now. Large pile of poop, almost as bad as Python. Am I right, fellers? Could be so much worse. I'm also on the verge of trying to upgrade 480 odd dependencies so that I can upgrade Python. And I really don't want to audit 480 dependencies to make sure that they all work on Python 3.8. Which does not sound fun. How is Airflow? Is it all cracked up to be? I'm sure Airflow is fine if you use it in a sane way. Stripe's setup of Airflow is fucking nuts. It's crazy. And I think part of it is because they wrote code to former Stripe wrote code to make imports a thing that you don't think about. And so anytime you import any part of Airflow, it imports the entire code base intentionally. And so you can have like import cycles and Imports has side effects and like all sorts of random shit just because it's easier that way. Jed Hanks, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. But also, Airflow is kind of shitty because they break their setup every single release, even in patch versions, which is terrible. Our Airflow import takes like 2.5 minutes or something. Just import the fucking code. So like, if you accidentally import from the Airflow tasks, good luck, buddy. You gotta wait another 2.5 minutes before your code's interactive. Okay. Damn it. Okay, that's fine. Elib. We don't have a read line? Oh, we don't have a read line. Oh, how important is LZMA? Ah. I don't fucking know. Hopefully it's not important. But my guess is the LZMA that ships with Hardy is so old that 3.6 cannot build with it. And so I'm gonna have to build a newer LZMA. Python does give a report of modules it built at the end. Yeah, I piped it to dev null, so I don't really have that. CodeBlue says, "Do you like the purple background of your terminal, or you don't care enough to change it?" I kind of like it. It's kind of alright. Purple's an okay color. It's familiar. Color Mercury says, "I'll tell the maintainers that you're very displeased." Yeah, well, I mean, they kind of shoot from the hip. I know some of the Airflow maintainers. They use pre-commit. They use Holy shit, do they use pre-commit? Airflow GitHub. And they use pre-commit to like a level that's insane. Oh, maybe I'm thinking of the wrong project. Oh no, they don't. Wait, no. Oh yeah, they do. Here we go. Ready for this? Ready for the biggest pre-commit config that I've ever seen? We'll just sit back and let the shit scroll. Just look at how many fucking things they configure in pre-commit. This is absurd. No one should do this. I don't know why they do this. It's crazy. It's still going. Look at this. Look at all this shit. What are they doing? I mean, I'm sure it serves them well, but holy shit. They are definitely bending the possibility of what pre-commit should be doing. But if it works for them, fucking ship it, I guess. They think it's a productive workflow. I'm not gonna argue. But like, goddamn. Holy shit. Whoa, my... You know when you watch something that moves in the same direction for a while, and then you stare at it and it goes... That's happened to me right now. Everything is slightly spinning. It's probably not the beer. I hope not. This is how long it takes to make commit? Yeah, probably. Isn't part of the problem with things like Airflow needing to support 10+ languages? I don't know if they support a bunch of languages. I bet it's all Python. Avarice, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Looks like the creator Prickman has created an overly verbose config format. Listen, they're doing some weird shit in here, and I suspect that a lot of their config doesn't need to be there. Shouldn't this be done via config files in the repo? Maybe not. I think they have a lot of local hooks, which is their problem. Yeah, like these are all local hooks. And local hooks are intentionally verbose because you're not really supposed to use them. Yeah, these are all local hooks. Everything above this, all these Flint. Cringe. Gross. By talk style, also gross. Oh, they use pap grade. That's kind of cool, I guess. I mean, they use pre-commit, of course, whatever, fine. Yeah, I don't know why they use Flake8 system. That doesn't make sense. If we make this awkward and harder to use, surely people will avoid it. Yeah, that was my thought. That didn't work out that way. Okay, let's install readline, see if we can get this working better. I don't know why this build depth thing didn't work. I like his 2.5 didn't have nice things. Readline dev. Let's try that now. Sorry to put, sir, but you've used up your rations of cringe this evening, and in fact, you're expanding. Any more cringe will in fact be cringe. Yeah, no, we already went over this, Chaz. Saying cringe is cringe, so I have entered recursive cringe. How does it feel that your stuff is used by big projects? My stuff's been used by big projects for years. I don't really know how I feel about it. 11 insert license configs, all for different comment styles and file types. Yeah, that doesn't surprise. That doesn't surprise at all. Yeah. Okay, hopefully this one will work. Hopefully we got readline. I don't know how we're gonna get LZMA. Maybe we build LZMA from source. LZMA source code. What? Linux was not supported until 2102? What? They've been doing calendar versioning for a real long time. Or did they just not release for 9 years? What happened between 935 and 1801? Seven Zip has its own LZMA. Oh no. Can somebody link me the proper one? Because I don't want to find the right one. Is it this one? This 25 stars. I kind of doubt it. Unofficial get mirror of 7-zip. Is it this one? 2 stars. This sounds legit. LibLZMA. Yeah, this sounds like the right thing. We just go to this dude's website. This person's website. I don't want to assume. Old projects LZMA utils. XZ utils. Okay. Based on the LZMA SDK. Oh, I guess it is all just 7-zip. 7-zip is Windows only. Yeah. CodeBlue says, any particular developers you look up to or really learn a lot from? Ooh. I mean, I have a few friends that are developers that I respect as developers and I've learned stuff from. I don't know if there's anyone that I idolize. It's usually where I go to when look up to kind of thing. I don't know. Yeah, I have a few people that are really good. I have the idea that I can make a super questionable binary download if I host on an ancient enough looking page that it would be trusted. I mean, yeah, just don't put an ECSS and yeah, seems fine. Python 3.3. Okay, 3.3 was the original LZMA, so I'm probably not going to get this working. That's maybe fine. Hopefully they don't need tar.exe files. Actually, should Control-C this. And just remove LCMA to not give the illusion that it is supported. I see liblzma. Oh, that's the difference between LZMA dev and liblzma dev. Yeah. I just don't want to backport that. No CSS, no ads, and a broken RSS feed link. Yeah, that's when you know it's good shit, right? That's when programmer brain is just like, I immediately trust this. It's like if you make it in LaTeX and math brain goes, I immediately trust this. Oh man, you love when you're installing a certificate bundle from fucking 2007. Oh, what could go wrong? Yeah, exactly, Ethan. Nothing in certificates have changed since 2007, right? What package did you install to try and get LZMA working? It was LZMA-dev, which I think is the right package. Yeah. But probably so old that the Python module targeting it doesn't support the function prototypes then. Like, it's probably just that this version of LZMA is so old that it's not going to build against it successfully. Which is fine. If they need LZMA, they will get back to me and I will be like, okay, I will build LZMA for you. Knowledge is here. Man, how long have you been here for a while and I just missed it because everyone else has decided to take your purple color and confuse me in chat? How you doing? Being a heathen and not running Linux on bare metal could decrease your risk. It's true. OMG, that me! Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. That magnesium oxide. Why are you building Python for such an old Ubuntu version? Because somebody said they would pay me if I did it. Dev TTY63, hello, hello. Wait, are you LJMF? Because that was your handle when you joined the Dick Sword. Are you LJMF and you've just renamed Dev TTY? The Zero Show. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Ah, you are LJMF. Well, what do you want me to call you? Dev TTY or LJMF? Kiss Killer says such a convincing answer. I mean, yeah, someone's gonna pay me. Look, I'll do anything if people pay me. Well, that's maybe not true. Yeah. I tuned in, but surely my VIP sets me apart. I mean, Ethan's got a VIP and also has the same thing, but Ethan is subbed, and you're not subbed knowledge, so must be hard to not be able to bongo in chat knowledge. Because money, yeah, it's true, Kiss Killer, 100%. I mean, I figured it would be worth it if I could get it done in an afternoon, then ship it. Hey, look at all them bongos. Gotta flex, yeah. I just want to change the name because it's hard to pronounce. I thought LJMF was fine. Kiss Killer, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. You got all the emotes you need. Alright, well, I mean, that's how you want to be. Octavius! Good to see you. Welcome back. God damn it, Preox. Thank you for the gift sub, Preox. And now, knowledge, you can bongo too. And I do actually have a button for you today, chat. So there's your button. Damn it, now I have to bongo. Yeah, you have no choice but to bongo, knowledge. Nice. Take off the short. The shirt, says Laura the Mage. Well, I mean, no, we can't do that. That's TOS, right? Unless it's a workout stream. I could take off the shorts and no one would know. No one would know if I took off the shorts, right? No, we're not gonna do that. That's a bad idea. That's too risky. Take off your socks? I'm not wearing any socks. When workout stream says Flimsy? I could do a workout stream, perhaps. Oh man, I went climbing this week. And I already told you about this. They require masks now. And so I was like, I don't want to waterboard myself. I'm going to bring 2 masks and switch halfway through my workout so that I don't have a, fucking mouthful of sweat while I'm climbing. My fidget spinner fell and broke. But I brought 2 masks, and 2 masks was not enough. It was still fucking sweaty. But this is not the story that I want to tell. The story that I want to tell is I was on a really hard route problem, whatever they call them, and I was like so close to getting it, and then this girl that was there was like, "Oh, you're like 6 inches away," and I didn't hear what she said. I thought she was trying to get me to get off the wall, and so I just like instinctively like jumped off the wall, but I was so fucking close to getting it. And then she like elaborated. She's like, "Oh yeah, you were so close. Oh, you almost had." And I was like, "God fucking damn it! If you wouldn't have like spooked me, I would have gotten the route." Ugh. And then the next time I tried to climb it, I like tweaked my neck, and I was like, "Nope, not climbing this one for the rest of the day." So I didn't get that one. Except at the end of the day, I was like, I mean, I'm a little bit my neck's a little bit injured, but I could do it, right? And I fucking powered through the route and I got it. So I would have gotten it earlier if I wouldn't have gotten spooked, but I got it in the end, so it's all good. We got it. Zero Zero says you appear to my recommended channels. Nice. Well, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Kibiko says, how many subs to put on a really warm jacket? So I only have 1 jacket. Yeah, I only have 1 jacket. Okay, reline works. Sick. Okay, I think that's probably good enough. I only have 1 jacket. It's not very warm. So either I'm gonna freeze in the winter or I'll just be fine. I'll just be chilling. Humans, water in the face is bad. Still go swimming. Yeah, it's true. It's true. Anthong's like a scared little squirrel. Hey, I mean, when people talk loudly at you and you're on a wall, the like pea brain thing, like instant brain thing to do is like, oh, I'm doing something wrong. They're talking loud at me. I'm gonna piss off right now. And yeah, that's my problem. Hey, what's up, Yusu? Says, let's go! Got a zoomer in the chat, guys. Are you the guy that wears shorts in the middle of winter? Yeah. I wear shorts until it's too cold to wear shorts. Which, in California, I haven't worn pants in a real long time. Except when I went over to Juice's once to meet her friend. And I was like, well, I guess I better wear pants because they're going to judge me if I wear shorts. And that was the one time that Juicebox Hero has ever seen me wear pants. Okay. Oh, this is good. Oh, this is very good. This means we can just YOLO the rest of these. And then we can maybe start working on a text editor. Okay. I'm going to go fill up my water. I will be right back. And we'll see you all in a sec. All right, we are back. I have filled up my water. So do you know, chat, do you know about the asparagus pea genes? I don't want to Google this. Anyway, there's two genes about pea and asparagus. When you consume asparagus, some fraction of the population produces a distinct smell in their urine from consuming asparagus. And there is another portion of the population that can smell that smell. And I have both of those genes, so I am both an asparagus producer and an asparagus smeller. And the reason that I said this is because I have had asparagus today, so that is why I noticed this while I was filling up my water and using the restroom. Anyway, oh no, Ken, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. You can wear the onesie this winter, it's true. Hey, what's up, Evil Gordita? Good to see you. Confirmed, Juice has only seen Anthonky with pants on once. True. The gentleman says, can't use pointers for my strings iterator since they aren't UTF-8 aware. That's true. Filling up my water and spilling water, yeah. Sometimes my piss smells like weed. You should get that checked out, Jenny Pie. My pee tastes weird sometimes. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, no, no. Okay. But I think this succeeded. Is good. Yep. Which means I can just yellow the rest of these. Fortunately. You graded me earlier. Well, you get 2 gradings, Evil Gordita. It's a traditional Roman mouthwash. Uh-huh. Yep. That's 100% what it is. Yep, just a traditional Roman mouthwash. Yep. I didn't know the Romans were into that. It's organic. That's probably true. Hey, we didn't get the 1-character password this time, so that's a step in the right direction. Then we gotta do 38, 37, and 36. But we don't have to build those ones, so we could just do this real quick. We were asked Juice to give you a traditional Roman mouthwash. I have not. I have not done that. I also feel like you have just invented this phrase, and that is not a thing that exists. Let's see. Roman mouthwash. What the fuck? The Romans used to buy bottles of Portuguese urine and use that as a rinse. T.I. fucking L, I guess. God damn, what? Wait, ban me, goodbye world. I had no idea. Hey, what's up, JB Pratt? I feel like I already said hi to you, but I will say hi again. You get a hello also. Why did they buy specifically Portuguese urine? It's like Roman age snake oil, right? Romans also added lead to wine to make it sweeter. Yeah, sugar of lead is a thing. Yes, yeah. Probably don't want to drink Roman wine, do you? Imagine being like, this is a 2,000-year-old bottle of wine, and it's just like, well, it's filled with fucking lead. Good luck. I thought they used their own. Yeah, lead tastes like sugar. That's why lead paint in old houses is a risk for children, because it chips off the walls, and if you chew on it, it tastes sweet. So it's just like a sugary treat from the wall that fucking kills you. But yeah. 3.8. I'm hoping it's 3812. 3812. Oh, the neighbors have a dog that's really not socialized. So anytime the dog sees any human, I assume it's any human, but at least me, this dog just like freaks out and starts barking and like gets real defensive. And yesterday I went outside to fill up my chalk bag for climbing because I sweat a lot and there wasn't much chalk left in my chalk bag. So I'm outside, squatting down on the ground, filling up my chalk bag, and the lady who's the dog mom, I guess, gets out of her car, and the dog hops out of the car too, and it has a leash, but she doesn't have the leash in her hand because, the dog usually just walks in the house. The dog sees me filling up the chalk and starts freaking the fuck out. Just starts barking. And like, I'm like, "Hi, puppy. Nice to see you. Hopefully you're a happy puppy." And the dog's just like, and then starts charging me. I'm like, "Oh no. I don't want this. This is not okay." But unfortunately, all it took me doing was standing up, and then the dog was like, "Oh, I'm scared of this. I'm gonna back the fuck away now." What kind of dog is it? I don't know. It's a big dog. Big, brown, and black dog. Oh. It's not a German Shepherd. It kind of looks like this dog. 13 black and brown dog breeds. Not a Rottweiler. It's not a Doberman. It's not a German Shepherd. I don't think it's that. Not that guy. I think it's this type of dog. Bilchrom. But theirs is like fuzzier. Fuck off. German Pilsner? Pinchner. Not that. It's not that. It's not Dachshund. What? This doesn't look like a Chihuahua. First off. Definitely not a Chihuahua. Fuck off! Holy shit! This is like a fucked up corgi. I don't know. But it's a big dog. It's a big dog. Dog's a pussy, yeah. Bark back, piss everywhere, assert dominance. Yeah, exactly. But anyway, the dog's barking right now. That's why I was mentioning this at all. Sugar treats them all, yeah. You like those pop-ups? Friend and tips? Yeah, fucking modals. Those were the worst idea. Okay, run books, refresh pen. No. 3.8, 12. You gotta do this 6 times. Gross. But anyway, we got this building. Should I package it somewhere? Probably. R-C /source czf /opt czf .tgc dot. Yeah. PKG. But yeah, it works, Code Blue. What if instead of building on Ubuntu 8, you tell the guy you're done and send him a link for Ubuntu 20? They specifically were like, yeah, I know this is really old, but if you could make this work, then please. So, yeah. I know it's so old. At least they know. Yeah, they do. They're like, if you're able to build this for me, it's gonna save me like 3 or 4 years. And I was like, well, okay. Is it gonna talk to the internet at all? God, I hope not. He's into vintage hardware. I think they're supporting some other business. I don't think it's their fault. Reamd. Old as Python. Dr. Bill dash T Python 6 Hardy thoughts Docker CID equals Docker create is that what create Python 6 Hardy Docker CP CID RMD this to dot Docker RM should in theory work. This produces a TG which can be extracted using -p ops r-c ops-xf kg.tgz. Then python 6 bin python 3 can be used. Let's try and paste that and see if it works. John Maggot says it's late, so gonna go. See you. Well, thank you for stopping by. The John Maggot, it's always good to see you. His whole porn collection is on there and he uses Python. Oh no. Can't stop looking at vintage computers on eBay some nights, weeks ago or months ago. Yeah, there's a lot of cool stuff. We need an anti-bonk command. I don't know. I feel like you deserve that one. Wait. Bonk spelled backward is knob? Huh. The more you know. And without the typo, we can also call this a bash. TOS? Wait, what? No, TOS is fine with this. Didn't you know this? I thought this was the whole point. Wait, what? No. Really? No, this was posted on Shower Thoughts and got 0 upvotes, so it's totally not a thing. 0 upvotes in 2016. No, it's not a thing. Alright. Package tar list package TGC. Oh, I forgot dash F. Yeah, it fucking works. Sick. Alan, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. And build a Python 3.6.15 on Ubuntu Hardy. Words I thought I would never say. Oh, I know knob means penis. I know exactly what that means, Jenny Pie. I am privy to that knowledge. Did I say penis? Venus hasn't been here in a while. Did I say hi to Alan? Alan, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Sorry if I missed you. Hello? Alright, focal ships with 3/8. Goodbye on there. Okay. We run this. Raphael Ruffles. That's a great name. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you are doing well. We need to go to GitHub, so I make this a repo. I am not proud of this, so this is going to be a private repo. 30 pi 36 private. Oh man. Okay, the RMD's right. The repo. It's the repo name that's wrong. Heyo. Heyo. Shiki. Okay. Hey. Repo. Yeah, I haven't said that in a while. It's been a while since we had an opportunity to say repo, Marsha. It's true. It is true. Okay, now we gotta do 3.7 next. Why does this take so long? 3.7.10. That was 3.7.12. Did I miss an entire release of 3.7? I did. Oh shit. Oh, this is Xenio. Okay. I did not miss 3.7.11. Marsha. Indeed, Code Blue. Marsha. At least you got to say it today. It's true. Who is this emote? Who is Naro? There's a new emote for you, Marsha. New emote. Never heard of it. Silly Brady Boncher. Wait, what? Is that from... It's weeby stuff? I don't know weeby stuff. I think I need a haircut again, chat. It's not that long, but I feel like I need a haircut. Robotic Head. Hello. Welcome. I'm doing well. Good to see you again. What? This derping emote is a bit wilding. Well, I need a hair/beard cut, but we're in lockdown. Oh, where are you in the world, Robotic Head? Things are fairly open here, but people are also super scared. Because Delta is screwy. Oh, you got kitty emotes. Oh, that's you. That's your emotes. I see. Melbourne. Oh, Delta Airlines. Yeah. Yeah. I wonder how Corona Beer and Delta Airlines are doing. Why is this taking so long? What is going on here? Why it takes so long? Oh, it's done. Now we gotta do this. And we gotta run the release. Weird mouth noises, as we do. Sorry, chat. It's just part of the stream. Got to get my GPG password. Hopefully it's not one character this time. Hey, nice. I like the mouth noises. I wonder how often I do that when I'm sitting here. Oh, I mouth noises all the time. It reminds me of one of my interns at Yelp. What did he used to say? Oh, he would be sitting there coding, and he would go, excuse me? But it took me a bunch of times to realize that he was talking to his computer, talking to the code, and I'd be like, Alden, what's wrong? What's going on, buddy? Are you okay? And you're like, oh no, it's just the code. Excuse me? I fucking love the guy. I wonder what he's up to. I haven't talked to Alden in a long time. Let's see. Sure. I don't remember how to spell his name. Is it with an extra C? Move on LinkedIn. But yeah, Alden was great. Oh shit, one of my friends just left their job at Amazon. Yeah. They look exactly the same as they did in high school. That's crazy. They haven't aged a day. Nuts. Good for them, though. Hey, what's up, 85 Filter? Hello, welcome back. Robotican says, I learned to say some naughty French words so I can say them specifically at the computer. Nice. Nice. What was I actually doing before I got distracted? Oh, no. Why is the start a post right next to where search is? Spell their name properly. Oh, they're still working on their PhD. Oh no. Oh no. They've been working on that for so long. It's been years. 20 years experience at 20-year-old? Yeah, exactly. DS says, can you Control Delete in your keyboard? I can, but Control Shift Escape? Ready for this? Control Shift Escape is the real pro tip. Control Shift Escape is way better than Control Delete, because it goes straight to the task manager. But yeah, I could do Control Delete if you really wanted to, DS. Robotica says, did you know the Husk enemy in Mass Effects were modeled on X Amazon employees? Oh no. You just say that you speak French and I speak shit? I can't have a 60% keyboard? Haha, GG. I need 3 hands? Amazon says Control Shift Escape does nothing on my system. Yeah, it's a Windows thing. It is Windows thing. Import upstream 3.6.15. We're getting up there in numbers. I don't have a delete key. Oh, the delete key is so good. I'm a big fan of the delete key. I'm currently looking to get a new laptop because my current laptop, the scratch pad is broken and it's a 6-year-old laptop, so I might as well just get a new one. And I'm tempted to get a Samsung laptop, but I don't think it has a delete key. But at the battery life, cost, and specs, nothing gets close to a Samsung laptop, which is, I'm not sponsored in any way. They're just really nice laptops. I currently have a Samsung laptop. What I'm looking at is this one in blue. Yeah. So this laptop weighs 2.1 pounds, which is very, very light. 2.3 pounds. Okay, I'm off by a little bit. My current laptop weighs 2.6 pounds. I could go for the 13-inch. But the keyboard is like this really fucking weird ass layout, and there's a blank key, and I don't know what the blank key is about. It has a numpad which crunches all these keys in. I don't know, chat. Wait, this keyboard doesn't have the numpad. Oh, this must be the 13-inch layout. Oh, it does have a delete key. But it doesn't have home and end. It has like these weird function arrow key buttons. I don't think I'll be happy with that. I don't know. I don't know. I thought Samsung only did Chromebooks. They do Chromebooks also. But I don't know. HD is short for probably hasn't gotten degree. Oh no. Oh, that's pretty good. Is that a fingerprint reader? Maybe. There is a fingerprint reader on my current Samsung laptop. So it could be that. I still haven't taken the little sticker off of it. It still has the packaging sticker on the fingerprint reader because I never set that up. These fingerprint readers are... Built-in keyboard is my number one consideration when buying a laptop. That's the thing I touch the most, and it's impossible to change. Yeah. I don't know, I could rewire my brain a little bit. Get a Mac? Spend 3 times as much for the same hardware? No thanks. Oh. ThinkPads are great, yeah. I'm a fan of ThinkPads. The thing is they're heavy and clunky. I don't know that I want to have I really only use my laptop to watch YouTube in bed. So I just want something cheap and light. And the Macs are shiny. I don't have any interest in running Mac OS. And I also don't have interest in fighting Linux drivers on a MacBook. Gion Script says, I just joined the stream and I'm wondering what you're working on. I have I've been building old and new Pythons for Ubuntu. And I just finished up the last one. I don't know if they've succeeded or not. So we never actually built one successfully. So let's actually see how the builds are doing. Ethan says, 12-hour stream. I owe 3 of them still. 4 of them? 3 of them. I think I owe 3 12-hour streams still. I should do one at some point. I don't know. What am I doing Saturday? Just do a 12-hour stream on Saturday? Thing is, I don't know that I have enough content planned. I don't want to work on for 12 hours. Maybe we'll just do one. Oh, do I have enough planning? I mean, I could do it I could do it this Saturday. Do a 12-hour stream. The thing is, I don't even know if the, you can make an ArcParse MyPy plugin. Oh, Ethan, since you're here, I've been meaning to show you this. I made a MyPy plugin for LRU cache. I think it's terrible, but it works. At least it works for the simple case. I have not generalized it to the overloaded LRU cache. But the way it works is I have 2 implementations of LRU cache. One is just a directly forwarding generic callable wrapper. And the other is a generic forwarding callable wrapper that also implements the descriptor protocol to slice off the first argument. So this is to support LRU cache for methods. And yeah, it kind of works. I guess I should send you the code and have you look at it, but I've been meaning to like propose this to MyPy to make LRU cache work properly. And I think all of this can be deleted when what is this PEP called? PEP PP 6 something 627. $612. I think it can all be deleted when premspec works. Because it's essentially what it boils down to is I am implementing a manual overload for two different parameter specs. One being a 0 argument parameter spec, and another being one positional argument and then like any argument spec afterwards. And for the 0 argument, it gets this specification here, and for at least one argument, it gets this specification, which allows direct callables for non-methods and then descriptor protocol for methods. Pramspec is behind a flag. It's also incomplete. Yeah, I tried the current implementation and it was not good enough to implement this. So yeah, I'll send you this code. It mostly works and it would need some generalization, but I think the idea is there and it's really just like fixing the rest of it. Absent says, do you have any suggestions on the best ways to get from I understand really basic Python programming to actually understand problem solving with Python? For me, that's just build a bunch of projects and like slowly you will learn more tangentially over time. But yeah, I'm not sure. Emerson says, the M1 MacBook Air with a full screen Linux VM is a tempting option. The less I have to interact with OS X, the better. Yeah, that's my feel as well. But also, like, having to run a VM is kind of annoying. Why don't you just get an iPad? Because sometimes I program on it as well. But I don't know. Well, I don't know. Keep wondering if I'm actually learning from my Rust project. I mean, you know more Rust than I do at this point. Step 1, find something interesting to build. Step 2, build it. Yeah, that is my recommendation for learning. At least that's how I learn. I know everyone learns differently. Like, some people really like to read books. Some people like to read docs. I just like to build shit until it fucking works. iPad programming challenge? No, we're not gonna do that. Homeless says it's time to read books then if you learn nothing from coding. I think Marsha's learning a lot. Anybody says to use Windows or Linux on the laptop? It's Windows. It runs Windows, and I have a Linux VM. Having to run a VM is annoying, says the person who is currently streaming running a VM. Okay, well, having to use OS X at all is a fucking pain in the ass. And running VMs on Mac OS is way worse than running them on Windows. For whatever reason. They just, like, everything is slightly broken in weird ways. Mostly because of the desktop management stuff that Mac OS does. Like, each screen is its own desktop, and so if you drag a VM across one screen, you suddenly get these like 3 different virtualization contexts, and it's just sucks. Never want to deal with it. Have you ever worked somewhere with a terrible change management policy? Yeah, I worked at an enterprise company that shipped code once every 6 months. Yeah, it was rough. Yeah. I built Near Beach as a learning project. Now it's my side project. Nice. Cool. I don't know what Near Beach is, but maybe you can elaborate. I cannot learn from books at all. Yeah, same. Books suck. I don't know anything, but yeah, OMG though, Anthonk. Every time I go to make things, I'm like, well, time to build my own logger temp file library configuration format thing, blah blah blah. Yeah, I mean, I do that sometimes. macOS kernel is not great. Yeah, stop the slander. What? Like macOS is shit. Nearreach is an open source project management. Oh, cool, nice, neat. So it's like I assume it's similar to like Trello or whatever for project management, or Jira. Oh man, my friend texted me the other week and he's like, I've been using Jira for a fucking decade and only just realized that it's not an acronym and it's a play off of Godzilla. And I was like, oh no. Oh no. Well, no, you're one of the 10,000. When is pre-commit code coverage? Has a Kanban board feature? I see. Cool. Oh man. Today it's your day, Jenny Pie, to learn that Jira is from Gojira. There's this podcast I listen to, and the guy calls Atlassian Atlassian. No. What if that's more correct? Easy Clip says, first of all, joy for Jira for 10 years. I've been using Jira for 12 years. And I have not had fun at any point of it. I feel like Jira has somehow gotten worse than it was 12 years ago. I remember Jira being fast. And that says something, right? Because Jira is dog shit slow. Like, I don't understand how Jira is so goddamn slow. I still remember one of my first days with the new job, I made a Kanban board across 3 Jira projects, and it's now changed the way we run Scrum. Oh, that's pretty legit. Is it because this is a terrible monster to work with? Yeah. Confluence too. Oh man, when they got rid of the like Markdown support, or at least the Jira Lang support for Confluence, and they switched to just WYSIWYG editor, that was the day Confluence died for me. It's fucking garbage. See the Atlassian CVE, apparently they have some awful Java dialect called OGML, which is building graphs but in Java that has an API payload. Oh no. That sounds awful. That sounds real bad. Ugh. I'm glad I don't administer Atlassian software. I got real close to doing it at Yelp though. I almost worked on the team that ran the Atlassian stack. I'm so glad I did not. That would have fucking sucked. Things that I never want to do. Run Java, or run Java, but run Atlassian software. I remember the Confluence 7 update, the one that killed Markdown at my former job, so many pissed devs. Oh yeah. We fucking yelled and screamed at Yelp about it. And then we implemented a Markdown plugin, and it was always fucking worse than it was before they killed Markdown. So we would have these like weird embedded Markdown documents, and you would write literal Markdown in the Confluence editor, and you would press save, and then you would just hope that it rendered properly. Oh, what an unpopular, stupid change. And like, it makes sense because Confluence's target audience is not necessarily developers. It was just, we were the most popular user at Yelp at the time, was developers. But they were trying to expand into non-developer markets and felt that they could market a wiki to some poor fucking sucker that doesn't want to learn Markdown. Unpopular for devs, super popular for non-devs. Yeah, unfortunately. Yep. Marcia says, was scrolling through my DMs with Anthony trying to find something and forgot I think the last thing you sent me with was fucking titties. Yeah, you fucking sent me Naomi Wu. Some mean girl. How do you remember? I remember everything. It's not my fault. They wrote Jira and Go instead of Java, would be Gojira. I'm pretty sure there's a Go library called Gojira, now that you say that. Yeah. Gojira. Simple Jira, command line written in Go. Yeah. I know people should be taught Markdown at school, or at least for computer science. Yeah, they should. Which is why I made a YouTube video about Markdown basics, so that everyone can watch my video. Sexy Cyborg, yeah. I think that's her handle. I think you're right. We sending you unsolicited DMs, and that happens. They literally made that for the name, not that I do that or start to do that. Wait, what? Anyway. Any hoosers. Linking in chat. Please don't post porn in my chat. I don't want you to get banned. I don't want to get banned either. Wait, why do they have a GDPR disclaimer? Anyway. Oh, we're gonna check if these builds are succeeding. 48 failed. Hopefully that's not the recent ones. Oh, it's just building S390X, the like stupidest architecture that no one should use, but I don't know why we support it. Probably because someone was like, hey, can you support S390X? And I was like, fine, it's one checkbox. But just thinking about the CPU years that have been wasted building architectures that no one fucking runs. It's so sad. So sad. Uh-oh. Who sent me a DM? Oh, D-Del sent me a DM. What the fuck? This has got to be a Photoshop, right? Right? Yeah, this is 100% a Photoshop. But of what? I don't want to know. Never mind. Not sure. Oh no. We'll do run S390X, but it's like one company. Yeah, it's IBM. Isn't that Z? Isn't that Z? Isn't it called Z elsewhere? Z? S390X. Yeah, IBM Z. They paid? Maybe they didn't pay. They contacted the Dominant project. Wait. Redirect page. Why no redirect? Why does it say redirect equals no? Why? Why you no redirect? Well, that looks fucking cool though. Like IBM was like, we're gonna make a mainframe, but we're gonna make it cool mainframes. This is like a sick case. I would use this case, except it's a human tall. Well, Z is just like kind of a cool name. I don't know. Mainframe for gamers. Gonna send Macronja to use the Hardy PPA just to make Anthony uneasy. Well, I'm not actually making a PPA of it. We're just sloppy compiling into opt. Did you show this on stream before? I've totally seen this. I have not shown it. I want that as a fridge. Oh my god, that would be a sick fridge. That would look so dope. Epson says, I really hope Risk V continues to grow and evolves into competitive alternative architecture. I really don't think it will. But yeah. ARM is at least popular, but IBM main fridge. Yo. Yeah, that would be dope. But yeah. Anyway, I know I said I was gonna work on my text editor this stream, but I am slightly too inebriated to think critically because I need to think hard for the feature I want to add. So I'm unfortunately gonna have to push that off to another stream. Yeah, sleepy drunk. You're not wrong, D-Dells, but unfortunately. Leafy, hello. Good to see you. So unfortunately, that's gonna wrap us up for today. A bit of a shorter stream. Sorry. Yeah, I'm inebriated. It's true. So we're gonna do my little spiel, and then we're gonna send you off to another channel. But thank you all for stopping by. My name is Anthony. I upload my previous content to YouTube. That's youtube.com/anthonywritescode. And come join the Discord, where I announce streams. I normally stream Monday evenings and Saturday at noon. Today was an unplanned stream. I also announce them on Twitter, and that is twitter.com/codewithanthony, where I basically talk about what we're going to work on. Sadly, we don't always work on all the things, but that's the way things go. But yeah, come hang out with us on the Dixword. And subscribe to YouTube and all that other stuff. But anyway, thank you all for stopping by. Let's go find someone to raid.